Hi, I'm James and I'm a Youth Engagement Officer for YEPS. Just under 5,000 young people aged 11 to 25 across RCT took part in our Your Voice survey in 2023 and told us about your views, thoughts and opinions on the topics that matter to you. We asked you what the main language you use at home is. 94% of you answered English, whilst only 2% said you speak Welsh. We asked our young Welsh speakers where you use the language outside of school, and you told us you'd use it at home, during school holidays and in after-school clubs. Although 15% of you answered that you don't use it in the community, you told us that you would welcome more opportunities to learn the Welsh language outside the school by learning online, 16%, through local libraries, 14%, and through after-school and art clubs, 10%. Your voice will be used to help RCT Council, YEPS and other organisations to deliver the things that matter to you. If you want to find out more about Your Voice, you can click the link below and scan this QR code.